Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to highlight the maximum value and the minimum value in a line chart. Okay, so we have the chart showing total sales by month. Now to highlight the maximum value and minimum value, we will have to create two measures. One measure for maximum value and another measure for minimum value. So let's create the first measure for maximum value. So I will right click and click on new measure. Here I will name this as max value. Let's create a variable called max value, and I will use maxx function. So this maxx function returns the maximum value from the input table. So let's provide the input table as all and date table, and I want the maximum value of total sales. Why I have used all date table? So basically what I want to do is I want to ignore the filters from the month and then have calculated the maximum of the total sales. Let's return this. So if I use this measure in this chart, so it is showing me a constant line for maximum sales. So I want to see a marker and the rest should be blank. Let's go to the measure again. And here I will write another variable for check. I will check if the max value is equals to total sales. Then return me max value. Else I want to return blank. Close the bracket. Let's change the return value to check. And now if I click on enter, you can see it's showing me a marker. Similarly, I will create a measure for minimum value. Let's create new measure. And I will name it as minimum. This to min-x. And here as minimum. Let's click on enter and use this measure in the chart. So it's showing me the maximum value and minimum value. So double click and click on the colors. So you can directly change the colors. For minimum value, I will choose red, and for this maximum value, I will choose green. So this is how we highlight the maximum and minimum value in a line chart.